Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Healthy Snack Boxes. This is just like Daily Goodie Box where you sign up and if you're chosen, you get a free snack box. All they ask is that you review the products inside, share your thoughts. There's a little advertisement on top. And let's see what came this month. Ooh, see lots of good stuff. I'm going to start over here. Queen of Cups. Guava Rose. There is some tabs in here, it says. And I guess you drop that in 12 ounces of water. That's really neat. It's kombucha tabs. Very cool. I'll have to give that a try. Next we have the Good Bean. This is sea salt, little fava beans, I guess. 7 grams of protein per serving, gluten-free, vegan. Very nice. And I also have some pretzel sticks, whole grain sea salt by Quinn. And those are gluten-free as well and vegan friendly. Then I have a chocolate drizzled granola bar. This is birthday cake flavor by Made Good. The kids are gonna fight over that. They like their granola bars, but they haven't had that flavor, so that's really cool. Then we have a layered fruit bar. This is raspberry lemonade by Pure Organic. Oh yeah, it's real soft. We have another birthday cake flavored item by Wow Baking Company. Just looks like it's a soft baked cookie. Awesome. And certified gluten-free as well. Next we have some Bunny Grahams by Annie's. Those are cute. It's assorted flavor, chocolate chip, honey, and chocolate. Some gluten-free crackers, cheddar cheese-ish. They're grain-free, nut-free, and dairy-free by Ancient Provisions. And lastly, we have some real veggie chips made with real veggies you can see. Green peas, yellow peas, potatoes, black beans, and extra virgin olive oil. That's cool. I haven't tried those before. And then there is an advertisement at the bottom. This is for those drink tabs. Very cool. Explains what it is and has their website with a 30% discount code if you wanted to purchase more. Very cool. So that's everything I got this month. If you're interested in seeing more boxes, then subscribe and stay tuned. And if you'd like to sign up, I'll have all their information below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.